Oh, you guys are here. I got something to tell you. There's two things that I like the most. Well, really like, because obviously I love my wife and my kids, but then comes the next best things in my life. As you know, Teslas. I love Tesla. It's a little shout out to the East Bay Club down south in Cali. Thank you very much, Chad, and the crew down there for the shirt. But anyways, so as you know, I love Teslas. And what else am I loving these days? It's in here. Let's have a look. Yeah, the Skydio 2 drone. So now, what would happen if we basically mash the two together? You know, what if we put the Skydio, which has all these cameras, the Tesla has all these cameras, and we basically put them together? What would we get out of it? I think we'd get something pretty cool. So, you know what? Just watch this little clip. It's almost like a mini Tesla commercial. That's pretty much what I would call it. You know, it's the Skydio in action following a car, which is the Tesla, while the Tesla is driving around and getting some really super cool shots. So let's see how the Skydio 2 does in tracking vehicles. And again, not just any vehicle, the Tesla. I love the Tesla. 2 years ownership, baby. Oh, the car's a beauty. This is basically the last you're going to hear from me, because just enjoy the video, and then after that, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya! you.